myself and actually prioritizes the stuff that I like to do. I like getting my nails done. I like getting my lashes done. It just makes me feel put together, but I barely actually leave the house to go and do so. So today, as part of rest and doing stuff that I like, I'm gonna go and get my lashes done, and then if I have time, get my nails done. I'm really bad at prioritizing. I'm not really bad. I need to work on self-care and putting myself first. Sometimes I always say, at the end of the month, I'm going to go get my lashes done. I'm going to go get my nails done. It just helps me feel put together. And then the time comes and I'm like, oh, I'll do it. Life happens. And then I just get really busy and never do it. So part of self-care is looking after myself and actually just doing the things that I enjoy doing. And one of those is looking put together by having my hair, my nails, and my lashes done. Look at the state of my nails, please. Fine girl like me can't have nails like this. So hopefully I'll have time to get my nails done as well. I've only got 12 o'clock now and I need to be at school run for 3:20. So I don't know if I'll have all that time to get both my nails done and my lashes. If I don't, I will just go tomorrow and get my nails done because I'm committed to the cause of looking like a fine babe. I mean, like an even finer babe. But it's just really important to look after yourself. You've got one body and one life to live. So why not actually do the things that you enjoy? And this is really therapeutic for me. I like to, whilst I'm getting my lashes done and my nails done, I just like to listen to, put my headphones in and actually just like listen to a podcast or listen to something whilst I'm relaxing and unwinding and doing me. So really excited. Come with me as I go get my lashes done. See me but don't see me kind of vibe. That's my thing. So here we here. I need to get some money from the cash. Fun fact, one of the things I've started doing is, you know, like how Monzo has those little pots. So I've started putting self-care. I've started putting like a pot that's labeled self-care. So when I get paid, I'll put money into that self-care pot. So then I know I've got that money to spend, and when that money is gone, it's gone. But it's money that's allocated for my own personal self-care. And it's also just really nice to see. And it's me trying to prioritize my own self-care. And that seems to be working really nice because then I know that money's dedicated for that and that alone. So let's head over. Oh. Headphones, check. Bank card, check. I need a coat. Sometimes I get really cold. So this is the space. I'm getting hybrid lashes. So this is what my lash currently looks like now. And how long does it take to do?
Maximum 2 hours.
2 hours?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I can put my headphones in and just sleep.
Whatever you want.
Okay.
Do whatever you want.
Thank you.
Those on the wall.
that is my lashes done. Didn't get time to do my nails, but so it's my lashes done. Feel good, feel happy, very happy with it. It's just nice to have my lashes done. I always feel more put together, so I'm a happy customer. It took 2 hours lying on my back, so that did hurt slightly, but we're good. I didn't have time to do my nails though, so I might come back after the school run. We will see. So off home we go. It's just amazing how it's the small things. It's the small things that you do in your day-to-day life that just makes you feel like, oh, okay, I've done this for me. I've sat for 2 hours and just got my lashes done, and I feel so good. Like, I'm not doing anything for anybody else. This is something just for me. I think as a mum and as a wife, I will always go above and beyond to get stuff done for everybody else, which is great, but it's easy to sometimes put ourselves last or not even be last on the list. So I'm happy now to stay consistent with it and to book in appointments every month to maintain it. So happy days.